Okay, this is the Tech Active Paper 2022, question 12. It's a Leslie matrix question. A science collects data on a particular species of tree frog in a protected area. Details for the female tree frog population is shown below in the table. The scientists use Leslie matrices to model and make predictions about female tree frog populations. State the initial population matrix. So your population initial, population 150, 101, 84, 62. I always go my initial population and subscript it as population 0. I have seen in other textbooks, etc., where people use P1. I think that's depending on what school and what your teacher has taught you. Same will be acceptable. Determine the Leslie matrix. Remembering with your Leslie matrix, it's the birth rates across the top, so it'll be 0.4, 0.7, 0.5, 0.1 across the top line, and the survival rates on the diagonal. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. I should write a little neater, shouldn't I? Sorry about that. So there is my Leslie matrix. Birth rates across the top, survival rates on that diagonal. And that's where we go from there. Part A and Part B. Part C, where we actually got to do something. The species considered to be endangered if the female population in a restricted area is predicted to fall less than 125 in the next 20 years. Determine whether the species is considered to be endangered. Next 20 years, P20 is L20 times PO. Do that on your calculator. Is 59.44, 37.64, 11.91, 2.51. That's doing it straight in your calculator, which I'm going to assume you can just do that one yourself. So rounding off, because we cannot have a decimal of a tree frog, gives us a total of 109. Now that is the female population. After 20 years is 109. So our answer, whether it should be considered endangered, we're going to say in 20 years, the frog population would be considered endangered, because as female population is below 125. So we just work out our population in 20 years by doing L20 times PO. Do that on our calculator, we get that as our result. We round off, we work out the female population in 20 years would be approximately 109. So therefore we would say that it would be endangered. And that's that question.